In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Chat. New updates. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your web browser and head to ClickUp's official website. Click the Login button in the top right corner and sign in. If your account is linked to Google, you can use the one-click Google sign-in to get in quickly. Once you're in, take a moment to get familiar with the interface. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so you see the right spaces, views, and tools for your team. Next, locate the chat feature. In the latest update, some items have moved, so glance down the left sidebar. Hover over the More option near the very bottom to expand anything that's tucked away. Then, click More. From there, open the chat area inside your current space. This is where you'll see your existing conversations and where you can start a new one. When you create a new chat, give it a clear, concise name so it's easy to find later, and everyone knows the topic at a glance. Before you send anything, check sharing and permissions. Set whether the chat is private or open to a group, and adjust who can view and participate. If you prefer a quick way to bring others in, copy the chat link and share it. No need to invite people one by one. At the top of the chat, use the search bar to find teammates, including new collaborators who need to be added. Select each person you want to include. You can add one, then add another as needed. If your team needs to jump on a call, you can place a call directly inside the chat space without switching apps. Down at the bottom, type your message in the composer. Mention your recipients by name as you set up the conversation, then click their profiles to confirm they're included. You're ready to start the discussion. If you need to share context, attach files right in the chat. Documents, screenshots, or any supporting material your team might need. To keep things human and clear, feel free to add emojis. They're not just for personal chats and can help convey tone. If you ever hear sounds or background music between chats, use the stop music control to silence it quickly so you can stay focused. When your message looks good, hit send. Everyone you added will receive it instantly, and your conversation is now centralized where your work happens. That's the streamlined way to chat within ClickUp. No juggling separate messaging apps when your whole team is already here. If this walkthrough helped, consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.